I parent them. You know, I pick the tendon. Then
You what?
I pick the tendon.
No. You're saying a word that sounds like parent.
Yes.
Parent.
Parenting.
Oh, interesting.
Parenting.
What's
Child-parent relationship. Whatever happens to the parent affects the child. But whatever happens to the child does not affect the parent.
Okay.
Yes. So now the tendon is going to be a child of our controller.
Okay.
And then we test that out and we see, yeah.
Oh my God.
We need to come in here and just put some controls over there so that we can be able to control this. So I'm going to put a circle, just a circle. So this circle here, I'll need to put it right under my first foot over here, just somewhere there. And this is just a controller. We're going to use it to help us animate, because you don't want to always go looking for the tendon. And remember, your body has so many joints. So yeah, so this is one of the areas that you.
So it's like a boundary that's going to have like an outside tendon.
Yeah, it's going to affect the tendon. Yeah, we are not going to be seeing it once we do a final render, but it's going to be the one affecting. Just like the way you have lights, isn't it?
Yes.
Instead of putting the wires together for the bulb to light, we have a switch.
Yes.
So you just hit it, and it comes on.
So it's like an invisible switch. It's the one that's
Exactly.
Controlling the tendon.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Another hood. So yeah, so I have that, and I could have another one. I need several, because I need one for controlling each foot, and you'll see why.
The larger
And
one.
we need a larger one to control the entire body, and I need another smaller one for the hips. Okay. For the pelvis area, in fact, over there. So pelvis area over there, all right. So it's good we name them, but we are not going to do that now. All we need to do is just understand how it is working. So I pick these and these, and I'm happy where they are. Just lift them up a bit. And after that, now all we need to do is kind of parent them. That's all we need to do. Now, before parenting them, very important here, and once we dive into rigging, usually we dive deep into that, is that here we have what we call translations and rotations. It's like GPS in 3D, where you know approximately where an object is. So we have to zero out this. Why? Because if your foot already has a position like 2, and then the control has a position like 10, if you parent them together and try to move them, it will move 10 times 2. So it will just go very fast. So if you zero this one, it will only pick 2 times 0. So it will move at 2. All right, it's a whole thing there. So I do that just to zero them out, and then finally I parent them. You know, I pick the tendon. Then
You pick what?
I pick the tendon.
No. You're saying a word that sounds like parent.
Yes.
Parent.
Parenting.
Oh, interesting.
Parenting.
What's
Child-parent relationship. Whatever happens to the parent affects the child. But whatever happens to the child does not affect the parent.
Okay.
Yes. So now the tendon is going to be a child of our controller.
Okay.
So that whatever happens to the controller
Affects the tendon.
Exactly. And that's how we are able to. We are able to, and just hit P. I've parented. Then I pick these, and I pick this one over here, and then I hit P. I've parented. So now I don't need to select the tendon. I just select this control, and now when I do this, see there, it's moving.
Yes.
All right. So same with this one up here. See now, if I move this one, see if I move this one now, it doesn't even go below. It's just tied there.
Yeah.
But now I want this and this to be parented to our hip over there. So now, if I move this, now notice what's happening.
Together.
If I rotate it a bit, look at that. It dances the cha-cha. So there we are. All right. So now, finally, what is the work of this one? If we want to move this entire thing, we don't want to start selecting everything.
Yes.
We want to parent all these to this one. And we come over here and we select this one here, and we select that one, these other ones, this one, then finally this one, then we parent. Now what has happened is if I select this one now, I can literally move this character wherever I want. So what I've done is called rigging. Just
I
like
know rigging to be infiltration. It has been rigged.
it has been rigged.
Now,
Elections.
what is yes? What is
Rigging,
rigging in
just like the way they
animation?
say, you hear these huge lorries being called rigs.
Mm-hmm.
And even in concert lights, they say rigging the lights. So that you have a control, you push this button, all the lights behave in a certain way. Okay? That's what a rig is. You're using one controller to control very many other things. That's what a rig is. All right? And that's exactly what we've done over here.
Oh my God.
So now, just by having that, and let me see, having all these, this one is still controlled. Now, we can now use these ones to animate. So the key thing is to come in here and use our timeline. This is called the timeline. We are using 24 frames per second, meaning 24 of these is 1 second.
Yes.
All right. So if we are using 24 frames per second, then we can do a very simple walk cycle. Now, our walk cycle normally will have 2 poses over here.
Yes.
We'll have this pose. We start with like, oopsie. I have to select the controller itself. There we are. So I move this one forward, and then this other one, I move it back. All right. Now, and this one is too high up for the hip, you know, like there. See?
Yes.
Now I have that. So now I have that. So now that I have this, this is the first called the contact pose. You know, we are just contacting over there. So all I need to do is get these ones here and set a key for them, sort of record their position.
Yeah.
So I record that position by hitting S. Turns red, meaning it's recorded. Because I want a loop, I'll come all the way to the end and record the same. So it's going to be looped. So in between, 24 divided by 2 is like 12. So we switch this. So I'm going to switch this, take it back somewhere there. This one, bring it forward somewhere there. So just switch them. Still a contact pose, this one. Yeah. And then I still need to record now this one again, one more time. So I record that as well. All right. So now notice what's happening if I scrub this. See? If I play it.
It looks like he's swinging.
Exactly. But there is no passing pose. So we need to pass. We need to pass. So as you bring it this way, this foot now, it's called a passing pose. Let me come all the way to around 6. It needs to pass. You get? It needs to pass. And as it passes, of course, this one now, as you bring up your foot, that happens, isn't it? So all I need to do is select all these again one more time and record that. So that now this happens. All right? That happens. So you do the same for the next one, because the next one also needs to pass. So we come over here to around 18, which is halfway, and lift it up. All right, somewhere there. Okay. And once I lift it up somewhere there, this one also goes up. Over there. And then we record that as well. Then we do that. So now should we play?
Matching.
Yeah. So these are very simplistic walk cycle. And to give it a body, you know, at times it doesn't look very nice without a body. So let's just have a body over here. Let's just give this one a simple body. A very simple body. Yeah. And now we parent this body to this.
To the hips.
To the hips over there, and we parent. And now, should we look at what we are having? This is what we are having now. So that is animation. Really.
Oh my God.
Recording positions.
You people must have such a different perspective on like movement and motion, because you guys are basically, you're creating. You get like down to the tendons and the bones and the muscle. It's exactly. OMG. Where?
And this is just the beginning. We add muscles, actual muscles in there.
Because I've heard these things about, you know, when they were animating Brave, they were really struggling with the hair because finding the any of the hair. So even Moana, apparently the hair was
making it wet, the density, the whatnot.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And so like animating us, they had the option of animating like single strands, but then that's like millions of hairs.
Yes.
So they had to create a whole other software. I don't even know how I know this information. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we will be back. This is where your passion becomes a profession, where creativity finds direction. This is ADMI, and I'm your host, John Lassie.